Today our topic is refrigeration cycle. So we will discuss topic the chiller how works. So there are the four major components in the chiller cycle. First of all, first is evaporator, second compressor, third one is condenser, and fourth one is expansion valve. There are the four major components in the chiller. So come to the point, the evaporator like a room, or evaporator how works. So if the water coming from the evaporator to the compressor, they are the low works. So if the water coming from the evaporator to the compressor, they are the low temperature and low pressure, and the gas is vapor form. So low temperature, low pressure, and gas in the vapor form. And after that, the compressor increase the high temperature, high pressure, and gas in the vapor form, gas vapor form. So the compressor to the condenser, high temperature, high pressure, the gas converted, vapor converted into the liquid form. After that, the dry filter, and then expansion valve. The expansion, what is the work of the expansion valve? The smaller pipes, gas passes through the liquid passes through the small pipes like capillaries, you know very well. So the high temperature, high pressure liquid convert into the low temperature, low pressure liquid plus vapor form. So the water coming from the expansion valve to the evaporator, so the whole cycle continuously working. So I think you are understand very well. If you have any question, you can message me on the comment box, and after that we will discuss about the HU line. So the evaporator connected to the secondary pump, and secondary, what is the work of the secondary pump? This is the discharge pump. The secondary pump is supply discharge water, evaporator to AHU. It send water evaporator to HU, transfer water. So the water comes from the evaporator to HU through the secondary pumps. The supply water, chilled water supply in AHU, and after that AHU transfer chilled water return through the primary pump. What is the function of the primary pump? Primary pumps are basically used for the suction. The water goes into the HU, the return water suction and transferred to the evaporator. This is the major use for the primary function, is the suction pumps, also known as. So the HU line is understand come to the uh, cooling tower. So the condenser water goes to the cooling tower through the condenser cooling tower, and after that there are the one condenser pump. This condenser pump suction this water through the suction condenser pump and transfer to the condenser. So this is the basically one pump are using. If the cooling tower is very far from the condenser, so there are basically using both pumps, primary as well as secondary. If the cooling tower is not far from the condenser, so we are using only the condenser pump. As well as if the HU is the in the high rise building, water coming from the gravitational force, so the primary pumps, no need primary pumps in some cases. If the HU in the high rise building, so the water coming from the from the gravitational force, so we select only the secondary pumps, because the secondary pumps water through the gravitational force, not a primary pump in some cases. So but basically use secondary and primary both pumps. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and like and connect with us, continuously supporting me. Thank you for watching again. Bye.